welcome. My name is Ludik. Today we will be talking about the difference between the marriage in community of property and the marriage out of community of property. So what is the difference? The difference is, firstly, if you get married in community of property, you will not be signing a contract in front of a notary public before the marriage date. If you get married out of community of property, you have to sign a contract in front of a notary public before the marriage date. This means physically, before you as partners say "I do" in front of the marriage officer, you have to sign the antenuptial contract. If you do not sign the antenuptial contract before that, you will automatically be married in community of property. Then, if you are married in community of property, you have a sharing of assets and liabilities. If you are married out of community of property, you have no sharing of assets and liabilities. If one of you gets in financial trouble when you are married in community of property, then the creditors can claim all the assets of both partners. If you guys were married out of community of property, then the creditors cannot claim the other party's assets. Then you will have no financial independence if you are married in community of property, because if the wife, for instance, wants to open a Truett's account or clothing account, then the husband also has to sign the application form. Or if the husband wants to do an application for a vehicle financing, then the wife also has to sign. Where if you guys are married out of community of property, you have financial independence and each party can contract on their own. With business transactions, there as well, most business transactions, both parties' consent is needed when the business transaction is concluded if you guys are married in community of property. If you are married out of community of property, you can conclude business transactions on your own. Then the last thing there is just that if you die, one of the parties die, then you will have joint estate when you guys are married in community of property, which means that the deceased spouse and the surviving spouse, both, it's one estate, it's a joint estate, so all the assets are in one pool and that will be winded up at once. Where if you guys are married out of community of property and one of the parties is deceased, then or pass away, then only you will have separate estates and separate, your estates will be dealt with separately, which means that only the party who is deceased, only his assets or her assets will be dealt with during the winding up of the estate process. So that's it. Thank you for watching us, and if you would like to use our services, we do antenuptial contracts and we can assist you with your contract before you get married. Do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact details will follow below. Thank you for watching.